Hey, today we're gonna discuss this question, which is for grade 6. It basically, gives you the clarity between units and how to interpret that. For example, you can see the question, a car travels 350 miles in 5 hours, right? Okay. What are the two unit rates that describe this situation? We have five options for that, out of which we have to select any two, right? 70 miles per hour. B option says 350 miles per hour. C is 1 over 70 hours per mile, right? Now you see the difference here. It says hours per mile. It's not miles per hour. Okay. Okay, the D option is 5 miles per hour, and the E is 1 over 5 hour per mile, right? Okay, let's solve this question. First of all, we have to find out that how much the car is traveling in 1 hour, right? Because the very basic unit in this situation would be miles per hour. So let's figure out, how many miles are being covered in 1 hour, right? So 350 is the total number of miles. 350 miles are being covered in 5 hours, right? So if we have to find out that how many miles are being covered in 1 hour, so we will divide it. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 70 is 350, right? So you can see that this entire situation, which is a car travels 350 miles in 5 hours, can also be represented as a car travels 70 miles per hour, right? Okay, so this makes it very clear that the very first option is also correct and is the right option, 70 miles per hour, right? Okay, so because the question asks about the two unit rates, so this entire situation can also be written as 1 over 70 hours per mile. We have just inverted it, right? Now we'll see that which option says 1 over 70 hours per mile. Okay, not miles, mile. Okay, all right. The very first option is also correct, 70 miles per hour. We already discussed this, so this is excluded. This cannot be true because 350 miles were being covered in 5 hours, not in 1 hour, right? Okay, 1 over 70 hour per mile. This is also correct because we just inverted it and we said that this is also a unit rate that can be considered, right? 5 miles per hour is not the right option. In the same way, 1 over 5 hour per mile is also not the right option. So the two options that we have for this particular scenario is A and C. The A says 70 miles per hour and C says 1 over 70 hour per mile. So this is how we figure out about the units. And units in maths and physics are extremely important as it's extremely as well as equally important to the number that gives us the information, right? Units are also more important, and it is really, really important to understand that as well. Thank you.